Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this video, we are going to show you how to make a tensegrity structure. First of all, you will need a cutter or a scissor will do. Then you will need a ruler and a pen to mark things out. For building the structures itself, you will need 8 popsicle sticks, yarn, any yarn will do, and a glue. First, to make the top and bottom triangles, take 3 popsicle sticks and glue the edges together. Then form a triangle shape with the popsicle sticks and stick them together. You have to do this step twice to make the other triangle. Take 2 more popsicle sticks and cut them into 10 centimeter popsicle sticks. This will allow them enough space to overlap without hitting each other. Also, be sure to cut them by their edges in a 60-degree angle. Then cut a string of yarn into smaller 10 centimeter strings. Do this step 4 times so that it will be enough to support the structure.
Hello, my name is Imanuel my friend before already prepared the tools and everything for us, and I will continue to build this Tensegrity structure. We have these 2 triangles that were made by my friend, and we have the sticks that are going to be the pillar too. The first step is connect the 2 pillars to the triangle each using glue. One of them is placed on one of the corner of the triangle, while the other is placed on the middle of one of the triangle's popsicle stick. Like this in the middle, and like this in the corner. Then, attach the strings on each corner of the triangle using glue, and connect them to the same side of the other triangle. And connect the 2 pillars in the same way too. And like this, we have the tensegrity structure. It can be better, but this is the result. Yeah, I think that's it for this tensegrity structure. Thank you for watching and goodbye.